こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn very big numbers from a million. We say 100万 a million. Remember, the first 1. Here 10, 10, 20, 30. Here 100, 200, 300, 100. And 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000. And here 10,000, we don't say 10, but here 万、1万、2万、3万。And here 100,000, we say 10万、20万、30万。Very important thing to remember that we count every 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, one line. We imagine this imaginary line and we see only 100. So 100, and this is the line of 万. 100万. 100万, this is 1 million. Now 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 4. One line of million and 1, 2, 3, 4. And here. So we see 1,000 here, right? 1,000, we say 1000. In this case, 10 million, we can say 1000万. 1000万. Or also we can say 1000万. Both ways okay. 1000万 or 1000万. The first fourth here, this is the line of man. And the second one here, 1, 2, 3, 4 again, this is oku. 100 million. Because you say 1, 2, 3, this is 1,000, 1, 2, 3, this is a million. So you say 100 million. But we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the line of man, and 1, 2, 3, 4 here the line of oku. So in this case we say 1億. 1億, it is 100 million. 10億. Very big numbers, very confusing. 10億, so many zeros, but we usually write like this. 10, 10, and oku from kanji. But anyway, we think 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This is man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This is oku. So we only see 10, 10 oku. This is in American English, 1 billion. 1 billion. This is the 1,000. This is the million. And the next billion. 1 billion. But it's quite confusing because in Spanish, they say like 1,000 million. 1,000 million. In English, 1 billion. And for us Japanese, 10億. So confusing. So many zeros, but now you know every 4, this is the name is different. For example, the first man, and this is oku, and we see only 100 here. So we say 100億. 100億. 100億, and we write like this. It's much easier. 100億 in English, American English, you say 10 billion. 10 billion. But it's so confusing because in Spanish, instead of 10 billion, they say 10,000 millions. So it's nearly a headache, right? It's so different. Anyway, I want to teach you how to change the numbers in each 4. The first, man, oku, and the next, cho. Cho with this kanji. So, icho. Icho means in American English, 1 trillion. But, for example, in Spanish, they say 1 billion. The same number with this. This is icho. After cho, k. This is k. But so many zeros. And I nearly have never heard of this k. But anyway, k is maybe the computer world. For example, cho, yeah, I heard cho in many occasions about the money that the one country need, or like this, cho. But k, actually I never heard it. Well, anyway, ikkei with this kanji, ikkei, it means 10 quadrillion. 10 quadrillion. So huge numbers. Anyway, the important thing, the big numbers in Japanese, we must think in each four. This is the very important point. And maybe you can learn man and oku. I think it's necessary. Cho, maybe I think you're not going to use it so much. But man and oku, maybe it's these two words that you can learn. The world population. 世界 world. 人口 population. Well, 世界 world, but 人 this is person. 口 this is 口 mouth. So the person's mouth. How many person's mouth? This is population. So 世界人口. It's nearly, 1, 2, 3, 4, man, 1, 2, 3, 4, oku. So here, this 80, 80 oku, 80 oku nin. It's nearly 80 oku nin. In English, nearly 8 billion people, 8 billion persons. This is 世界人口, world population. Now, Japanese population, Nihon, Japan, and this is from 2021, 2021年. 1, 2, 3, 4, one line, man, 1, 2, 3, 4, the other line, oku. So this number, we say, 1億2610万人. 1億2610万人. In English, 126,100,000 persons. Now population in Tokyo. Tokyo, 2022年1月. It means in Tokyo, January 2022. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the line of man. And we see here only 1398. So 1,398. In Japanese, 1,398万8129人. Again, 1,398万8129人. In English, 13,988,129 persons. Let's practice. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you say 1,234,567. And I tell you, 1 million, you can remember like this. 1 million, 100万. 1 million is 100万. So this is 100万. But anyway, if you think 1, 2, 3, 4, one line, this is man. And you see 123. So 123万4567. Now this number, 7654321. So you say 7,654,321. But anyway, we think every 4, this is the line of man, we only see 765, okay? 765 and man. So 765万4321. It's easier now? 9,146,295, because we think in every 3 in English. But in Japanese, we think in every 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 line and this line of man. Then you only see 914. 914, it's easy. 914. Then man. Well, now we only see 6,295 6295 So altogether 914万6295 You see, it's much easier now. 36 million 5,000 But every 4, this is the line of man, and you see here only 3,600 3,600万 and 5,000 3,600万5,000 9,185,000 every 4 like this. So we see 918 918万5,000 918万5,000 As I told you here, 100万 here this million. So 9 million, this is 900万. So I think it's much easier now, right? Now let's practice without this line. But you must think in your mind, okay? In English, 2,500,000. 2 million, but you know 2 million, I told you 1 million is 100万. So this is 200万 here. But 250万, this is 250万. A million 400,000. I told you a million, this is 100万. Okay? 140万. Because every 4, here is 万. 140万. 3,600,000. I think you can say it easily. I told you the million here is 100万. So 360万. Anyway, we can hide this 4. 360 and 万. 360万. Okay? This is 3,600,000. Now a quiz time. Only 5 questions. And this time I'm going to tell you numbers only in Japanese. And I want you to write them down in numbers and how to pronounce in your language. 1番目、150万。150万。2番目、325万。325万。325万。3番目、3000万。3000万。3000万。3000万。4番目、2500万。2500万。2500万。5番目、800万。800万。800万。Numbers are always difficult in any languages, right? But I think today's video could help you to learn Japanese numbers. If so, please give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And also, I want you to share my videos with your friends. That can help me a lot. Please. And please subscription too. And now listen to me in Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日は日本のとてもとても大きい数を勉強しました。100万から勉強しましたね。万、そして次、億、兆、京、ここまで勉強しました。本当はもっとたくさんありますが、私はほとんどもう京なんて使ったことがありません。兆は聞いたことがありますが、普段は使いませんよね。まあ普段使うのは万、せいぜい億までです。でも、このように日本の数は1234、その次にまた1234と4桁ごとに名前がチェンジすることを覚えてほしいです。 このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン忘れないでください。そしてチャンネル登録、コメントもお願いいたします。私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。では、また次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあねー。